everybody, welcome back to Country Girl. My name's Kathy Jarvis, and today it's going to be super hot. It's supposed to be like 95 degrees, and I've been out here since 9 o'clock this morning working. I harvested the green beans, the okra, the peppers, some of the peppers, and the tomatoes, and now I've got 3 more things I really want to do today before it gets really hot. I watered this morning. That's what took so long. Watered both greenhouses and all the garden beds. Now we're going to finish cleaning up the mess from the peach tree. I still have to bag these up and get rid of them. So that's the first thing on the agenda to get done this afternoon. The first time I did this, I put them in a great big contractor garbage bag, and it was almost more than I could handle. So I decided to put them in the smaller bags, and that way I can just handle them much easier to get rid of. Hopefully next year we can get this under control and I won't have this mess. But like I said earlier, they can't go into the compost bin. You have to bury them or put them in the trash. And I'm just going to put them in the trash. Water. Don't want the water. One thing to remember is like these gloves I'm using, I will be taking those off and washing them before I use them into the garden, because I do not want to spread this black mold, brown rot to any of the other plants. So it might look like I'm wearing the same gloves after this, but actually they're just the same brand, just a different pair. I will also be washing this tub out with soap and water before it goes into the greenhouse again. These will go into the trash, be taken away off the property. And I will take my gloves and this around back with some soap and water and clean them good. And that's the first job this afternoon done. Alright, the next thing on the list is to clean up Melon's house. And the butternut squash that's ready. Took a weed eater around the sides. Now I'm going to take over 90 degrees out here. I am burning up. I'm out of breath. I've been out here since 8 o'clock and it's now close to 4. And I still have a little bit of grass over in that area that I need to trim. But there's some butternut squash there that have rooted into the ground. So I'm going to let them finish growing, and then when about another week they'll be done, and then I can take them over and get those little trees out. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Remember to subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost anything. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If there's any way I can improve, write that in the comments below, and share it with your friends. And remember, dream big and follow that dream. Bye.